This is a video just to demonstrate the automatic budgets product specification schedule template. So the need of this came about from a customer that was struggling with adding new rows and wanted it to be a bit more automatic and a bit more at click of a button. So this is what I developed for her, and now I've made it a bit more generic and suitable for lots of interior designers. I'll give you an overall view of it. Similar to most of my other schedule templates, so I've got this dashboard that brings in every data from all the rooms across the project, and it splits it into budget price and actual price for each item, and also looks at all the different, splits all of that into each category, into each area, and into each room down here. And then on the right hand side I've got summaries in bar charts and pie charts just to see it visually where the money's being spent. The next tab brings in every piece of data from every tab, brings it into one big view. You don't really need to look at this because this is just what the dashboard is reading. But it's been created so that there are different extra categories pre-made for you, so you can add your own if you need. And it has all the rooms built in as well. So if I just jump back to the drop-downs tab, this has all the pre-made rooms in there. So in total you've got 36 rooms in there pre-inserted for you, along with all your categories and your product status tracking over here. And the manufacturers and vendors there, just so you can pre-fill in your manufacturers here, because quite often designers use a lot of stuff from one place. So rather than typing it in every time for each product, you can just select from a drop-down that reads this information. So within each room, I'll just go through one room and how it works, but all of them are the same. So you will have pre-inserted categories within each room that I believe are specific for that room. So for example, there isn't any plumbing fixtures in the bedrooms, so there may or may not be a need to add new categories. But if you do, it's as simple as just putting your cursor in this box here and clicking this button up here. So add a new category to the room. So we just click on that button and it runs a script that's built into Google Sheets, and it adds all the lines for you. So you just give it 30 seconds and it will build it out for you. So that's all done, and it's automatically added 4 new products within that category. And then all that's left to do is just to group that information, just so you can make it a bit less big. And then you just select a category from your drop down that is reading the drop downs tab. So I'll just add that one there. And then if, for example, I want another line in this category here, again, all I need to do is click this other button up here, so add new product row. So I just have the link button selected, the link cell, press plus, and it will add a new row in here for you. So this is much more flexible than the other schedules I have on my shop. Or the other ones, it's very manual, so select the rows, right click, duplicate, copy, paste. And also adding new categories is a bit more manual and more linking on the dashboard as such. So this combats all of those issues and makes it much more simple for designers and even home renovators to use, and to make it more flexible between projects.